In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present PowerPoint in Teams. Whether you're running a meeting, teaching a class, or simply walking colleagues through a slide deck, knowing how to properly share your PowerPoint in Microsoft Teams makes everything smoother and more professional. First, make sure you already have your Teams meeting started and your PowerPoint file either open on your computer or saved somewhere you can easily access, like your desktop or a documents folder. Once you're in the meeting window, look toward the middle or top of the screen, depending on your layout, for the Share button. This is usually represented by an icon that looks like a rectangle with an arrow pointing up. Go ahead and click on Share. When you click Share, Teams will open a panel that shows you different options for what you can share. You'll see things like individual windows, your entire screen, and specifically PowerPoint files. Take a moment here and make sure you know which PowerPoint you want to use. If you see your PowerPoint listed under the PowerPoint section or under recent files, that's the easiest option. If it's not there, you may need to browse your computer and upload it to Teams from your files. Now, select the PowerPoint you want to present. When you choose it, Teams will begin loading that file into the meeting. This can take a few seconds, especially if the file is large or contains a lot of images or video, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Once it loads, your slides will appear in the main meeting area, and all the participants will see the current slide you're on. At this point, you're officially presenting. You can click through the slides using the on-screen arrows or the arrow keys on your keyboard. As you move forward or backward, everyone in the meeting will see exactly what you see. If you need to pause for questions or discussion, you can simply stop advancing the slides and focus the conversation on the one that's currently displayed. When you're finished presenting, you can click on the Stop Sharing button to return to the regular meeting view. That's all there is to it. Click on Share, select the PowerPoint, and click on Share again to present it to everyone in your Teams meeting.